Well, guys, I'm in a new hotel, and for the night, back I'll be here a couple of nights. It is so pretty in here, y'all. So cool. I only need the fan. Got a chandelier and everything. Got a kitchen, but don't even need it because they got a little restaurant here. Look at that, y'all. Very nice interior. That's nice. Have a pool outside, y'all. That's my view from the window. Very nice. No TV, which is good. I don't even know where the light, if this turns the light on or not, that's above the head. I don't know, y'all. Got a coffee, had an oven, and a pot. And a washing machine, y'all. And a nice bathroom is downstairs. Nice wet shower. I like that. I'm good. I asked them where's the towels at. My bad. Here's the towels right here on the bed. Closet. You can hang stuff in at least. Like I said, I don't know which one is supposed to turn on this chandelier. I don't know. Well, guys, this is a nice place. I'm enjoying it already, y'all. My place is called Sarah. Guess everywhere they name their apartments after people. Beautiful, y'all. How about that? Luxury for a couple days. Wow, y'all. I feel like I'm in Wakanda for real. Nice pool. I could just sit down and put my feet in the water if I want to, right in front of my apartment. Wow. Nice children running around. Look at that, alligators. Not real, y'all, not real. It's alligator sculpture. Monkey sculpture. Alligator. African. Nice place to sit down. But yeah, I'll be fine just in my apartment because I don't have to walk up no stairs, y'all. I'm in 7th heaven. As long as I don't have to run up and go up no stairs. Well, guys, I was saved by a good Samaritan named Isis. She works here, I guess. Sometimes you just have to have faith, child. I was going to the little store that was close by. After she introduced herself, she said, "The store is not ready yet. It's not open." So I said, where's the closest store? Talking about right choice. Y'all, I got so tired walking here that Salif had to call for his friend to come finish bringing me help. When you get old, child, around the corner for them, be seeming like it's a mile or two. It's like I ain't ready for that yet. I got to build up to it. So anyway, I gave the lady $100. She went to the store, got me 2 waters like I asked, 2 large waters. Came back with $50. I told her to keep it. Man, she looked like she won the lottery. I still can't figure out what is a tip in the gas bill. All I know, I would have never made it to right choice and back as fast as she was. She was fast, y'all. I was sitting down, waiting for her. And before I could even miss her, she was back. She earned that $50, y'all. She did. So anyway, anytime I see her, if she could get me what I need, I'm good. Anyway, like I say, sometimes you just have to have faith in people. Even if she wouldn't have even came back. $100 said like about $2, less than $2 a US. So, trust is built $1 at a time. Peace out.